Hello guys, this is a quick review on this clamp from iFootage. I got it from Amazon, and I usually use with this magic arm, or I can also use with my cameras, so it's pretty good. Let me just unbox it. So it's the first time that I'm getting this one. I have more of this, but I'm just unboxing this one because I got it from Amazon, a pretty new one, okay? So usually iFootage send cards like this for warranty, so you can register the product. It's very, very good. I like iFootage products because they are well designed, okay? So here is the unbox. Here we go. As you can see, there's also a certificate here that passed the tests. Very good as well. And here is the clamp, right? So I can open that way and put in a pole or something, and then I can clamp back like this, okay? Pretty nice. This is very, very sturdy. It works pretty well. And it has this movement, okay, that you can adjust whatever you want to clamp to. And when you clamp, you can like really tighten up here. And also you can connect something here. You see, there's a thread here that you can connect to a camera or to a light or something, and it's very, very good, right? So that's a quick unbox, and I recommend to buy iFootage products.